Judicial Council members have spent the last 5 weeks reviewing a proposal from management that seeks to address the court's $1.7 million budgetary shortfall. The council has already approved increasing court fees beginning January 1st to generate much-needed additional revenue, which they peg to be about $300,000. The second initiative is implementing a $600,000 management deficit reduction plan that could be realized by holding back costs in different divisions. Court Policy, Planning and Communications Director Joshua Tenorio says the third proposal is targeted to begin on May 21st and would result in reducing the judiciary's operational hours by 4 hours each week.
We'll be closing early at 4 p.m. from Tuesdays through Fridays. So we would essentially cut back our personnel expenses by 10% from the Chief Justice down to the entry-level paid employee.
Tenorio says the reduction in operational and employee hours is a result of the budgetary shortfall.
We're trying to work with the administration and the legislature to basically fund $850,000. The total shortfall was 1.7, and we've brought that 1.7 down to $850,000, and $850,000 is the amount that has to be absorbed by personnel if nothing else is done.
Tenorio says the judiciary is looking at ways to avert the reduction in hours, but without an $850,000 cash infusion, he says they'll have no other choice unless the legislature steps in.
The different things that could be done is taking a look at back appropriations that have not been released to the judiciary as a way to pay down that, or for a special appropriation if the legislature does not want to see the judiciary reduce its hours by May.
Inevitably, a reduction in court hours will also have an impact on the already overwhelming caseload at the courts. Tenorio says officials will do their best to minimize the impact as much as they can. He says discussion is ongoing now to allow staff to prepare for the reduction and to allow additional time to find alternatives.
If we're able to get some assistance and reprieve from this $850,000 shortfall that we've reduced from that 1.7 amount, then we'll be able to avoid that situation. But right now, as it stands, we don't have any confirmed ways to bridge that gap, and we will have no choice but to go in this direction.
The Judicial Council is expected to vote on the proposals when they meet this Thursday at noon. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.